Tom, bring me the basket, dear.
Here, Mama.
Good job. Now bring me the soapbox. Careful, it is heavy. Watch. This is the dial. Now, the start button.
Can I?
Go on.
I did it!
You did it. Good helper. What is that sound? Zara, come here a moment. What happened? Listen, do you hear that sound? That is not a good sound. No, it is not. We should call the repairman. I will find his number.
Repairman? What happened?
The machine is making a bad sound.
Repairman for this? No need.
You know this sound?
I know machines. I will look first.
Are you sure? Last time you said that about the sink?
The sink is different. A washing machine is simple.
That is what you said about the swimming pool.
The pool worked.
But Dad, it took 4 days.
A washing machine is simple. I know machines. Don't worry.
Should I keep the repairman's number just ready?
Save it. You will not need it.
Save the doctor's number too. Warm.
What is wrong with it, Daddy?
Something is loose inside. I will open it, find the problem, fix it.
Open it.
And then close it again?
Yes, open, fix, close, easy. Okay, let's pull this out more. Now, get the screwdriver. Unscrew them one by one. Put them in the bowl.
Wow, Dad!
See, Tom? First, the back panel. Always start at the back.
Wow, Dad!
There is a lot in there.
Yes, there is. Good.
Dad, do you remember where all of these go?
Of course.
He does not remember. I know.
Here. This is the problem. This is loose.
What is that part?
The balance part.
The balance part?
Yes. When it is loose, noise. When it is tight, no noise. Simple. Good. Now we put it back.
This one, Daddy?
That one comes later.
Dad, that piece, was it facing the other way before?
It fits. That is what matters.
It is facing the other way. I can see that.
Is that one lost, Daddy?
No, found it.
What are those?
They are extra.
Extra?
Machines always come with extra screws.
The factory is very kind.
Dad, those screws came out of the machine.
And they are not needed anymore. Trust me. Good as new. Better than new.
Should we test it?
Final step. Always test. Fixed. You are welcome.
Daddy fixed it!
That is just... It is warming up.
Warming up.
The machine is walking!
It is not walking. Stay, stay!
Turn it off! The plug! Turn it off!
One moment. Whoa, the pipe burst.
Oh no! Water is everywhere! Dad, turn it off! Quick!
I'm trying, it's stuck.
Careful, everyone! We have a swimming pool! Again! The floor, Dad!
I can fix the pipe. I just need to reach it.
Daddy is a snowman!
I am fine. Whoa! The machine's going crazy! Ah! Slipping! Oof! No, the door! Ah! The clothes!
Daddy, are you okay?
Yes, Tom.
You have clothes on your head.
I know.
Can you walk?
Yes, it is just my elbow. I almost had it.
I know.
The pipe at the back, if I had reached it,
I know. Hello, I need a repairman, a washing machine. Yes, today, please. And a mop, a big one.
Daddy, does it hurt?
a little.
I will sit here.
Hi, thanks for coming.
Of course, happy to help.
The laundry room is right here.
Who opened the machine?
Daddy did it. He almost fixed it.
I will need some time. I tightened the balance part. The balance part. The loose one, inside. I see. I see the problem. What is it? The screws are out. They go right here. Oh, I see now. All done. Looks good. Now, checking the drum alignment. Okay, reconnecting the water pipe. Okay, let's plug it in. Now, I'll add some clothes. Pressing start. It's running smoothly now.
It looks fixed.
No more shaking. All fixed. Good as new.
Thank you so much.
Finished. The drum was out of balance. 3 screws were missing. Those were the extra screws. There are no extra screws. You may want to clean that.
Daddy, the man put the screws back.
Yes,
Were they not extra?
I think they were not.
The machine is fixed. The floor is clean. We are all fine.
Yes. And the noise is gone. I found the problem. The repairman just finished it.
Yes, Dad. You found the problem.
I pointed at it.
Daddy, the kitchen tap makes a small sound.
Zara, call the repairman.
No need. A tap? Easy. 2 minutes.